Hi, I'm Ryan with TriVan Truck Body. I'm here to showcase a brand new truck that we just built for a water utility department. It's a diesel F550 cab chassis, and TriVan Truck Body has put together a very awesome custom-built 12-foot box truck, a van body in the back. It's completely self-contained. We have a generator that's plumbed into the truck diesel supply. We've got an inverter, lithium-ion batteries, and these charge three ways: when the generator is running, when you're plugged into shore power, or through the alternator when the engine is idling. And all this workspace on the outside of the vehicle. Outside workstations with access to the outside bins from inside the truck and outside. Special fans to cool equipment that's going to be in those compartments. All the shelves are adjustable. And if you look up, we have some great Whelen scene lights. Those are battery 12-volt powered scene lights, which can do all your scene illumination. Let's go to the passenger, the driver's side of the vehicle. More compartments. Lots of room for storage on the outside of the truck. And we climb into the truck from the side. And inside the truck, we have lots of room for working out in the field. We've got a workbench, pull-out drawers, lots of overhead cabinets. And the sun is shining right now. If I turn the lights off, look how bright it is in here. It's a nice sunny day. We have skylights. And just this white aluminum lining keeps the interior super bright and white. All the shelving is adjustable, infinitely adjustable. I mean, this thing is built like a tank. Really, it is. And we've got, I believe we have egg crate dividers in here that can be removed and adjusted as need be. And the flooring itself is pretty burly too. We've got a spray-on bed liner floor, which offers a degree of hose-out protection and also slip resistance with D-rings in the floor. Great to have for securing cargo. And then right above the workbench, we've got controls for everything. We have plugs that are generator or inverter powered with USB charge ports. And we have a timer switch for all the compartment fans and the compartment dome lights. Lights are controlled here. We have a power awning off the curb side, which is controlled over here. Everything is within reach in one central spot. All the overhead cabinets, very convenient latch, opens with one hand, stays open. We have some extra power ports there, 12 volt and 120 volts. And everything just laid out to be set up in the field. You can be out in this field self-contained for the whole day. You've got air conditioning, you've got heat, everything you need. As long as you have a truck full of diesel fuel, you can run all day. In the overhead storage area, we have some carabiners, which allow you to remove this stretchy cargo netting, and a ton of space in the overcab storage area. Here is our main electrical control panel. We have the generator on-off switch for the 5 kilowatt genset. We have inverter controls over here and a manual selector switch for the generator, shore power, or off. So everything is within easy reach inside this truck, and it's set up for very comfortable working conditions anywhere that the field takes you. So that's in a nutshell, a tour of this new TriVan truck body that we built for a water utility department. And we'd love to talk to you about your project. You can buy this particular project, these kind of vehicles, you can buy from TriVan through Sourcewell, National Auto Fleet Group. We have contracts you can take advantage of to buy this if you're a government agency. And we'd love to work with you on any upcoming projects that you may have. Check us out at trivan.com. We're in Ferndale, Washington. My name is Ryan, and this is TriVan Truck Body. Thank you for watching.